Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's take a walk around this brand new lithium-ion pneumatic forklift, model number CPD 35 GB2LIM. Now this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you're interested, give us a call right away. It has a base capacity of 7,000 pounds and it runs on an 80-volt, 40-amp-hour lithium-ion battery. I'm going to show you just how easy it is here to plug that in to your charger. Very simple connection right there. Now, it, as I mentioned, runs on a lithium-ion battery, and it has 4-way hydraulics. And I want to show you this, this dash as well, because it's a very intuitive dash that shows you everything you need to know about your battery, your speed, your direction. While we're on this side, I'll show you it has an emergency stop here, as well as a paper clip and a cup holder up here as well. Now this has a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 185 inches. And it has your hang-on side shift and one of my favorite features, fork positioners. This is currently outfitted with 48-inch standard tapered forks. And you'll see here that the tires are black, solid pneumatic traction tires. Now coming up here to the front, we have lots of lights up here, including these combination lights that have the running light as well as the ultra bright LED headlights, and they also have your turn signals as well. Now coming inside the cab, we have lots of great creature comforts in here, including the dual rear view mirrors as well as the convex mirror up there. You can see on the steering wheel, we have the steering wheel knob, and this is a fully adjustable steering column. The seat is a fully adjustable full suspension seat that adjusts forwards and backwards, also with your tilt and with your suspension. And you can see here that we have that orange high visibility safety belt. On that back pillar, you can see we have that rear pillar handle with a horn that keeps a horn at your operator's thumb even when they're backing up. And on the back, we have even more lights, including that yellow strobe, as well as the combination lights that show your brakes, as well as your turn signals and your backup. And you'll hear the backup alarm as well. As I mentioned, this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you have any questions or you'd like to demo this truck, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449, or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.